Hello guys, if you are using Yelp app and you are facing problems by not working of this app, this video is for you. So now in this video I will tell you how to fix Yelp app not working problem. So please watch the full videos. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Yelp app and now tap on app info option you see here, and here you should have to tap on storage usage option here, and now you can see clear the cache as well as clear data. So tap on both options to clear the cache as well as the data. After that, close the setting of the phone and open the Play Store, and tap on search option. Now tap on search bar on the top and here search for Yelp, and now tap on OK. Here you will see update button option, so simply tap on update button to update it to the latest version. So hope this will help you, but keep in mind that clearing the data will erase all your progress or your data, your existing data from the app. So keep in mind that. So hope this will help you. Thanks.